Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone. Make sure you're on Android 9 or newer and WhatsApp is updated. This matters because newer Androids handle audio capture differently. Once done, install a reputable call recording app that explicitly supports VoIP or system audio capture. Grant microphone, storage, and any overlay permissions the recorder asks for. You're setting permissions now so the recording app can access audio streams during WhatsApp calls. Otherwise, it won't capture both sides of the conversation. Next, configure the recorder for WhatsApp specifically. In the app, pick VoIP or internal audio capture if offered. This ensures the app taps WhatsApp's audio. Set auto start for calls from WhatsApp and choose WAV or MP3 plus a clear save folder. Once configured, make a short test call with a friend or your secondary number and speak from both ends. Check the file right away to confirm both voices are audible and volume levels are acceptable. Then tweak mic or gain settings if needed. Finish by ensuring the recorder runs reliably. Whitelist it from battery optimizers and allow background activity so it stays active during calls. Make a final verification call and inspect a saved file. If you get only your voice or silence, switch capture modes, try internal audio first, then virtual mic or root options if available. Make sure to enable file encryption or move recordings to secure storage. And remember to comply with local consent laws. If things still fail, reinstall the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.